Hello everyone, thank you for taking the time to view this video. This is the Bookkeeping Master on YouTube. In this video and the videos following, I'm going to show you how to create a bookkeeping spreadsheet on Excel, so to record your income and expenditure, and also create a profit and loss statement and balance sheet. The balance sheet and the profit and loss statement will be updated automatically for you. So the final product will look something like this. So I'm going to start from scratch. I've opened a new Excel page up and I'm just deleting the old one I had up, the example. No need to save that. So first of all, I'm going to merge the cells to create blocks of 2, like so, and then I'm going to drag that across the screen. I'm going over to about AH, and that should be plenty of space of what I'm demonstrating today, and I'm going down as far as about 72 lines down, and that should be plenty of space. You may need to make yours a lot smaller or a lot bigger than this, depending on what business you have and the amount of transactions you do every month. So to start off with, I'm going to put a border in by clicking Format Cells, clicking Border, and then placing a border at the bottom of the text like so. Okay. Now a border's put in. Next, I'm going to put the date and description. This video, just so you're aware, is to set up the actual template, and the videos following I will show you the equations that will need to be put in and how the spreadsheet works, but just in this video I'm showing you how to set up the template. I'm now putting in any assets and liabilities the business may have, so a bank account, a savings account, a petty cash account, a loan account if the business has a loan, and also a capital account. You may only have one or two of these things, or you may have a lot more assets and liabilities, but just list them at the top. Any bank accounts and loan accounts, credit cards that the business has. And then I've got a box at the end which is the total. After that box I'm putting in another border which will show on the right, like so. I did that the same by going into Format Cells. Now I'm going to merge all the cells at the top block from A to P, and I'm going to mark this income, assets and liabilities, because in this first section of the spreadsheet we will use this to record income, and it will also show us the assets and liabilities of the company. So that's the first half of the spreadsheet done, or the template done. And now I'm just putting in the opening balances. These spreadsheets are per month. You could do them per week, or you could do them per day, per quarter. I'm doing this per month. I'm now putting in date and description. This second half of the spreadsheet will be for expenditure. Now I'm only going to put the assets down in the expenditure section, which I will be making expenses from. So that will be the bank account and the petty cash account. You could put a company credit card down if there was a credit card, or any other accounts that expenses are made from. And then once again I'm putting another border in to mark this section out, to the expenditure section. Now at the top here I'm just going to type in expenditure. I've merged the cells. So we have the income, assets and liabilities on one half of the spreadsheet, expenditure on the other. Now this last section I'm putting down more specifics of what the expenditure was. So products or resales, we could put fuel, insurance, stationery, wages, etc. We could go on forever, the different expenditure codes that we use. But I think that will be enough what I want to demonstrate in this video. I'm now going to mark the bottom of my template by putting the last day of the month and putting in closing balance. You may need a lot more room in your spreadsheet, but as this is a demonstration, the room I've created there between the opening balances and the closing balances will suffice. And I'm marking the closing balances off by putting a border in, like so. So the spreadsheet's looking quite neat. And at the top here, I'm just going to mark this as expenditure codes. That's it for this video. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to put in equations and develop this spreadsheet further. Thank you so much for watching.